Second conditional versus first conditional. The English Grammar Showdown. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of conditionals, specifically the second conditional and how it compares to the first conditional. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of these two conditional structures and know when and how to use each one. The second conditional is used to talk about hypothetical, unreal, or improbable situations. It's typically formed using if plus past simple tense, and then would plus verb. For example, if I had $1 million, I would buy a house. In this type of conditional sentence, the past simple tense does not indicate a past time. Instead, it's a subjunctive mood, which is a way of talking about unreal situations. Moving on to the first conditional, it's used to talk about real and possible situations. This structure is formed using if plus present simple tense, followed by will plus verb. For instance, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. The first conditional relates to future situations that are likely or probable, depending on certain conditions. The key difference between the first and second conditionals revolves around reality and probability. The first conditional describes situations that are possible or likely to occur in the future, given certain conditions. It's more rooted in reality. On the other hand, the second conditional is used to describe hypothetical scenarios or dreams, situations that are imagined or unlikely to happen. One common mistake learners often make is mixing up the tenses used in these conditional structures. Remember, we use the present simple tense after if for the first conditional, and the past simple tense for the second conditional, regardless of the actual time we're referring to. And there we have it, folks. That's the second conditional compared with the first conditional in English grammar. I hope this video sheds some light on the differences between these two important conditional structures. Always remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering conditionals, or any other grammar topic. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll definitely get the hang of it. Until our next video, keep making grammar your friend.